Hello, Internuts. This is HEATH'S VLOG Stardate 180425. I'm about to go in to audition for Home Depot. I can't remember how many times I auditioned for Home Depot. Oh, those are wipers. But let's cross our fingers. I mean, they're trying to get me to sell a giant. Just turning Jackson's headphones down. They are trying to get me to sell a big fridge or something. I'm the size of a big fridge, so what are you laughing at? Jax is right here. He's not on camera. All right, I'll let you know how it goes when I get in. Out. When we're back. When we're thing. Okay. Back. Yeah. And we're back. Did you miss me? I know it's like a whole complete whatever millisecond in between the hand swipes. But yeah, so I don't know. The lady I went in with was very good. Yeah, and I show her fridge. So you like it? And she's like, and she's looking for something different. This is back and forth banter, and then we end up showing her the fridge again. So, same fridge. Yep. So that's it. What do you think of that? Nice and short.
It's pretty neat.
Yeah.
Nice and short. Spender.
Yeah, I think this is like 450 or 400. Yeah. It's almost 50. I don't know. The number will, it says at the beginning of these things issue number, so that's the number of vlogs I've done, and they just keep getting better, like this one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, like this is like, oh, I don't know why I don't have millions of.
Yeah,
oh, here, I know.
Sorry?
Here, this is here. Okay, watch. I'm gonna get 5 million views. Top 10 list of why my videos are awesome. 10. I'm not gonna do that. Maybe I'll start doing list videos. No, actually, you know what? I came up with an idea. Or two ideas.
Don't say it.
I'm not gonna say it a lot.
People are gonna steal it.
I'm not gonna do it. I mean, I could just do list videos and just steal other people's videos and put them in my list. Or I could just do top 10. I'll just start doing top 10 list videos.
Yes.
Number 1, Matthew Santoro.
Number 15.
Does number 15. Number 15.
Burger
King foot lettuce.
Last thing you want in your Burger King burger is somebody's foot fungus. But that's exactly what happened. Subscribe.
Is he putting that voice on? Or is that real?
Or it seems like it'd be a speech impediment.
I don't know. Burger King foot lettuce. Okay. Yeah. What do you think?
This is pretty neat.
Oh, hi, Brandon. Did you enjoy your video you were in? Hope it did. Hope it did.
Q&A.
Want me to do a Q&A?
Probably.
On what? Ask me a question.
Do you like Five Guys? Yes.
Yes! In fact, we're parked out in front of one. I'm not really at man casting. The guy needed my parking spot, so we just left.
Surprise.
So, yes. He said,
Surprise.
can I have spot? And I'm like, yeah. If you talk like that, you can have my spot. You can have my car, my wallet. Because I was just thinking Russian mafia.
Russians are scary.
Yeah, I'm part Russian, so, you know.
We're a lot part Russian.
We're a lot of part of everything's.
I think the biggest part of us is Ukrainian.
Nope. It is.
German?
I have Uncle Georgie's DNA thing. It's like Europe. Like Europe. Europey.
It said we're less than 1% Asian. I'm like, that explains Nick.
Oh, why?
Because he can do the voice.
Yeah, but Asia, like Russian,
And it's a joke.
it's all. Oh, that's because he watched How to Be Indie. No, what was it? What was that show with that kid? He was a teacher. You know that show? And Chang was the janitor.
Mr. Young?
Mr. Young. Yes. And then How to Be Indie is where you learn how to do the Indian voice by copying the grandpa, which that dude is hilarious.
That's so Raven.
No.
No, because there's like an Indian grandpa and it was hilarious.
No, it was How to Be Indie.
How to Be Indie?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
I don't remember that show. There's some great shows that would be socially unacceptable.
What, like Three's Company?
Yep.
MASH.
Definitely MASH.
All the awesome shows
All
would
the
not
good
fly
ones.
today. They could not make their shows today. Listen, I don't want to hurt anybody's feelings. Okay, so long enough. 6
Yep,
minutes.
they.
All right, Jack, say bye.
They.